Today we're making deviled eggs. Let's get cooking. First step, peel the egg. You kind of crack it and then, Where did I put it? So these are farm fresh eggs from my mom's friend Kasha. So thank you very much, and my mom said that we can put the shell in this bowl. So I'm gonna use 6 eggs. You can use more or less, whatever you want. These are great for. These are great for parties or anything really, or just for fun. Voila, an egg. 2 eggs down. Let's get this one going. So this is how you crack it. Voila, and then it should crack right open, but it's not. Smokey. Sorry guys, that's my dog. Another egg done. 3 eggs done. We'll be right back when this is all done. Smokey down. Down. Whatever. So we have 1 more to crack. Hopefully I don't ruin it. Because off camera I already ruined 2. Almost dropped it. 6 done. We're done. With all these eggshells. Washed them all, and now it's time to slice them in half. So let's see. This one, you hold it like this, and then you like that. Pow! Cut in half, and then you slide the yolk, it will just come right out. Voila! And then you put it in a bowl. 1. And then do the same with the other half. Take the yolk out. And now, where should we put this? I'll just put them right there. And then we have this other egg. Scrape in there. Boop. And break. So, boom. And then put them in. It was kind of hard to get the yolk out of that one. Get it. Oops. Smokey, we got all the eggs done. Now it's time to cut the avocado in half. The avocado. You need a ripe avocado. We're going to use the same knife. I can't. So my mom helped me cut it in half. But look how pretty it is. Look at it. It's like the perfect avocado in the world. But we only need half. So, which half? Let's do this half. Scoop and scoop. Leave me alone, dog. Make sure we get all that good avocado out. We got the avocado out. Now it's time to put some Tajin into it, which is very spicy. And I wouldn't say very, but here's our Tajin. I think that's good. Now, lime juice. Got it. pickle whip. Only for the creaminess. That's plenty. And now, cilantro. The cilantro is fresh from our garden. Herb garden to be exact. We're also going to need to cut this. It's been raining a bunch where we live, so this cilantro is growing good. We got it all done. Now we need to cut it. Slice it up real small. Make sure there's no giant clumps of it. And yeah, have that happen. Whatever. So we're cutting it into smaller little pieces. Now we need to add a pinch of the cilantro. We won't use all of this. We'll just need a bit. I think that's good. Just a few more little pieces. And then take a spoon out like this and mash it all up. It's kind of hard to mash. We added more mayonnaise, more Tajin, and more lime juice. Look at the creaminess. And now let's try it. See how creamy it is? Pretty good. Now, this is where the eggs come in. You put a bunch of, well, all of the filling into one of these. And then you squeeze it in each one of the eggs. Okay, got it all in. Now we need to put it on the eggs. Here we go. I'm weak against it. And that's what happens. We'll be right back. Let's try this again. Get in there, and done. Doing it, coming out very slowly. A bit more. Voila. Voila. Okay. Voila. Voila. No. Get in there. Like how this looks. So we are going to try something different. Take one of them. Take a spoon. Flatten it, and then flatten it. Kind of like that. So now it's messy. I think we'll be right back when these are all done. Now, that looks better. Now, we need a bit more Tajin. So take a pinch and sprinkle it on. Until all of them have a bit more Tajin on it. You and a bit for you and a bit for you and a bit for you. All done. Now we need to put in the garlic chives, also from my garden, just like the cilantro, and it smells so good. So you kind of need to break it up into smaller pieces. A bit like this one, a bit like this one, a bit for this one, and a bit for this one. And then the others. Boom, 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 and boom. Voila! Now we put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. That's a long time. Can I wait? Bye. We'll see you in 30 minutes. Time to try it. for watching. Bye. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. See you later. Thanks.